Okay, so this is just a quick reminder how we find the inverse of matrix A. Well, the inverse of any 2 by 2 matrix. First thing we need to find is the determinant. And sometimes we write it that way, the determinant of A. And the way we find the determinant of A is we multiply this diagonal and subtract from that diagonal. So I said that backwards, but you get what I mean. So we do 2 times 8 minus 4 times negative 3. Okay, so it's 2 times 8 minus 4 times negative 3, which is 16 minus negative 12, which gives me 28. So that's the determinant of this matrix. And then to find the inverse, A inverse, is we do 2 things. First, we multiply by 1 over the determinant, times, we switch these two, so it's 8 and 2, and we change the sign of these two, so it's 3 and negative 4. Okay, and that's our inverse matrix with a constant in front, with a scalar, but really we can write it as an 8 over 28, and a 3 over 28, and a negative 4 over 28, and a 2 over 28. But even more, we simplify that. So we can go, this is going to be 2/7 according to my brain. And this is 3/28. I think that's nothing we can do there. And this is going to be 1/7, negative 1/7. And this is going to be 1/14. Okay, and that is A inverse. And you can stop listening to my video now, but let's check this out. So if I take this, what am I doing? Let's take this matrix here. No, let's get the whole matrix. I told you could stop watching. Ta-da! If I do that, I'm going to pull that down here, get rid of this stuff, I don't need that, and then multiply that by this matrix here. So 2/7, 3/28, negative 1/7, and 1/14. And if I multiply that, I should get a 1001. So let's see. So this gives me 2 times 2/7 is 4/7, plus 3/7 is 7/7, so that's a 1. So now we have 6/28 minus 3/14, which is minus 6/28, and that's a 0. And here we have 8/7 minus 8/7, that's a 0. And here we have 12/28. Not a happy camper, am I? Oh, see, I'm right. I'm subtracting 12/28 plus 8/14, which is 16/28, so it's 12/28 plus 16/28, which is 28/28. And I really hope you stopped watching, because so many mistakes. But that's the idea behind the inverse matrix. So that's how we find an inverse matrix. Thank you for listening.